Hey guys, guess where I'm at? Got into Ottawa late last night, hit the bed hard, and here we are at Lee Valley Tools Friday morning. I'm just going inside to meet some of the peeps, the Lee Valley peeps, and then I'm getting a full tour of the Veritas facility. So let's go inside.
It's funny, the first time my wife
Look at this handsome guy.
stepped off a curb on Water Street, the car stopped.
Yeah.
She couldn't get over it.
Then
I
I'll
don't think
screw
she's
up my
still
demos
over it.
tomorrow, and they'll never invite me
Yeah,
back.
and it's I go, hey, I'm a cousin.
Alright, this is where the magic's
So if you
happening.
follow me, we'll head this way. This is our Veritas corner, where all the wonderful woodworking tools are kept.
Oh, nice.
And we got a nice lit up setup for you there.
Got my workbench, a couple holdfasts. That's all I need. Wouldn't mind having one of these back home too. Tool display, look at that.
Yeah, everything at easy reach, and we've even got it up there with rare earth magnets as well. So everything stays up nice and solid.
That is awesome. Little bitties. That'll essentially track the saw through the rest of the way, as long as you're not putting a lot of like tension on it or trying to alter it. Like if you feel like you're going off the line, you're not going to be able to correct it. By like twisting the saw, it'll just make it have that much work. So yeah, it's just the first few strokes, just take your time, set them in there. Like when I first started, I would like choke up on the saw, thinking like, oh, you know, the closer I get to the blade, the control, but it's actually more natural to hold it as well. And just like really lightly, like the Japanese kind of keep one finger on there. It depends what's comfortable for you. So yeah. Just got abducted by a couple of fanboys over here, taking me on a tour of downtown Ottawa. Check out this gorgeous installation of modern art. It's like a tree without branches and made of aluminum. And then there's that. Woo! Not the crane, the big Parliament buildings. I don't know what that is, but beautiful. That was a whirlwind trip. So much fun. Thank you so much to Lee Valley Tools for flying me out to the East Coast. Not really the East Coast, somewhere in the middle there, Ottawa. It was great meeting a whole bunch of Makers Mom members as well as YouTube followers that came out to the store, watched me do some hand-cut joinery demonstrations. Super fun hanging out with you guys. Shout out to Eric, you crazy Yankee. Drove all the way from Chicago just to hang out and watch me do some woodworking. Super rad. That's commitment. I look forward to doing some more demonstrations, hopefully in some local West Coast stores here with Lee Valley Tools in the future. Stay tuned to this channel for announcements on when those will be happening. And I woke up this morning feeling really generous, so I am giving away a whole bunch of sets of plans for my projects for free. Click the link up in the corner there, down in the description box below. If you want access to plans for some of my most popular projects, now is the time to get them. They're free. Please hit that like button, subscribe, make sure you hit the bell icon next to it. That way you get notified every time I put up new videos, because people are like, why don't you put up any more videos? I'm like, I do put up videos, you're just not getting notifications. You know, technology. Click the notification there and you will not miss out on any future Samurai videos. Until the next one, guys, Samurai out.